Hi, I'm Lauri Kane.
Hi, I'm Dr. Dean Kane from the Center for Cosmetic Surgery Medi-Spa.
So we're here today to talk about the new EuroThread lift that we are now launching, which is so exciting because it's very unique where you can use these threads not only in the face, but now we can use them in the arms, the neck, the décolleté, the tummy, legs. So for people who are trying to get tighter, smoother body skin as well as face, the new EuroThreads will be it. So I'm going to leave it to Dean to tell you what the EuroThreads are all about.
So the EuroThreads are not something totally new, but they're using threads from the past that have been configured in such a way that through a cannula, meaning no needles, we make a little puncture in the skin and pass these threads underneath the skin. You can either pull them up and they will hold you up, okay, or hold you in the brow, or create a nice neckline, but they can also improve things like the necklace lines, décolleté lines. They can lift your chest or your breasts. They can also lift your tummy, and if used with the thinner threads, then we can layer them in a lattice work in order to stiffen and firm the skin as well.
And what's really exciting for women who typically have problems with their lip lines, they don't really want larger lips, but they really want smoother lips, these smaller type EuroThreads can be inserted in the lips so it smooths the lines without making the lips larger. And that's what's really exciting. And there's no anesthesia, there's no real downtime, and it's done under a local anesthetic. Again, no sedation. So you could drive yourself to our office, drive yourself home, and it's really very exciting new innovations of non-surgical procedures that we now can offer. So give us a call at 410-602-3322, and there'll be more information on our website, drdeankane.com.
Thank you.
Hope to see you.